In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove, test, and replace an LED light inside your Whirlpool refrigerator. If you need to buy a new LED light, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The LED lights are wired in a series similar to Christmas lights. If one of the lights fails, the other lights in the series will also go out. In this model refrigerator, the lights are wired on two different series. The first series contains the side lights, the other series contains the top lights. In this video, we are going to cover replacing any of these lights. The lights in the top right section are a different part number. Check out our other video that shows how to replace them. Since all of the lights on the series will power off when one fails, we will need to troubleshoot each light until we find the faulty one. To do this, you have two options. The first is to order a new light and plug that light in each location until the lights power back on. When shopping for a new LED light, be sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your appliance to make sure you get the correct part. This light will only work in select locations, so make sure you are ordering the correct one. The second option is to use a 5-volt DC power source to test each light. Each light has two locking tabs on each side that we'll need to depress in order to remove. To remove the light, insert a flat blade screwdriver or a thin tool between the light and the fridge compartment to depress the locking tabs. Then, gently pry the light out, being careful as it's still connected by a wire. Now, disconnect the electrical connector by depressing the locking tab. With the light removed, we can now see if it was faulty by replacing it with the new light by reconnecting the electrical connector. If the lights all power on, reinstall the light into the fridge by facing the LED strip towards the back, tucking the wires in, and firmly pressing in place. If the lights do not power on, reinstall the light you removed and repeat the process until you locate the faulty one. To test the light using a 5-volt power source, simply connect power to the two solder pads on the light. We are using a USB power supply as our power source. The black wire is negative and the red is positive. If the light powers on, it is functioning correctly and can be reinstalled. If the light does not power on, then you have located the faulty one and can replace it with the new one. That's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you enjoy fixing things and want to see more videos like this and these, please consider subscribing.